Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about Google's new application which they released recently. I was thinking whether to do or not. Maybe you would have heard of it, Google's Gem. So it is actually a gem because you can do everything in one place. It is basically a custom AI expert where you can feed your data and make the model to behave in the tone that you want it. For example, we have this RAG and all, where we feed the data or document that we have, and it answers the questions depends on that. It extracts the information from it. Basically, we provide the context of it, and it gives what we wanted. But here, same thing, like you give the document directly, and it behaves for the things that you wanted. Like you can summarize, you can convert, you can build a model, and you can just ask it to talk like your own voice. So it has everything, the image, nano banana, everything they have integrated, and it has 1 million tokens, the same thing like 2.5 pro Gemini model. So it has everything in one place. One not disadvantage, I would say, because you can't just have and deploy it for your own application. It is like for in general, and it is like a web application, as I said. Uh, like Google search that we do, and it is like a tool that we can do our things. Uh, what all the tasks that we just wanted, it will just do for us. So I'll just give a demo and you can play with it. It is very important for current period of time that we are like handling so many applications and testing many documents, and we need to like process so many things. But this application is like doing everything in one place, and you can just have everything on your hand without even building a model. I'll just show you. So this is a basically their own site that they have released for gems. So this is like uh, the studio. I mean the dashboard, and you can create your own gem in here and name your file anything. Like I'm just going to give as a test. And currently, I just wanted to convert some of my document into English because I have it in French. So let me just do that. Uh, can you convert, or we can just give as a description like convert the dog into English language. Uh, translate. That's the exact word. Translate the document or text, we can say, into English language. So instruction you can give, but here is generally a document file, so I'm not giving any instruction. If it is any audio file that you are asking it to behave one, you can give instruction like or style, any style, like write a poem like me. So I'm just giving a document for your reference. Like that, you can give instruction. But here is a simple text file that I'm going to give, and you can attach your. Okay, so this is my text file. Uh, okay. It is a very, simple doc. I just wanted to give a demo, that's all. Translate. So prompt is something that you want to give. Here's the description of this entire, model or task that you build for. And here I'm asking it to translate the text into English. Okay. So it is analyzing. Okay. Fine. So it is basically about tropical forest, and it just completely translated the document that I gave, the text file which I gave. So how simple it is. So would you like me to summarize the main environmental benefit in this text into a table for you? I'm gonna say yes. So we can act as a make as an chat application like ChatGPT or something. You just fed a document and it is just giving the entire thing and summarized, proper summarization. So, how easy it is, imagine you don't have to build a model to test any document or to summarize any document, or you don't have to, import any Gemini model in your tool and, IDE or anything and asking it to summarize it. It's a tool, and we don't have to like feed into any other, application or download any other application to summarize a document. It is there, everything. And you can just make your own style of document and you can make it to behave the way you want it. So everything is in one place. And even it behaves for, PDFs also. I tried with the summarizing part. I just imported a PDF and it gave me the entire summarization. You can try with it and understand why you want to use it for. Instead of like having the entire model writing code for it, even if it is vibe coding, we need to have a proper tool to write a code and copy paste things. But it is there, everything. You can test it. We can test the entire manual, feed the manual, and ask it to summarize like what is the key points in it. Can you summarize this MOM or write an MOM in the way I wanted, like the way I want? I mean, I used to write like that. You can ask and you can save and do. One thing I wanted from here is we can just have it as an our own application, like a deployable model that they should consider trying to release in here. But we can have this as our own application because they are using the same LLM like 2.0 or 2.5 Pro, everything. We can build one, but this is like more of ease. You don't have to do things in stepwise like rag and all we used to use, but it is basically on plate. Yes. You can share the document and you can just share within your team and make them to understand like what all the things which is available and all. So yeah, I hope this video finds you well because it is very important and interesting because one of my teammate was showing this previously. So that's when I got to know like, oh, there is this thing there and I'm going to show to everybody this thing. So that's why I wanted to make this video for. Yeah, make use of it. If you have any questions, doubts, anything, you can ask me in Discord or put that in my comment, same video. Can do that. So, yeah, bye. Thanks.